Well, 12:25 here on this noon hour on a Thursday, and still very small chances you may see a shower today, but most of the forecast the next 7 days or longer is going to be dominated by hot temperatures and sunshine. So you might see a brief cooling shower today, especially in Cameron and Wolsey counties where the sea breeze is coming in. Highs back in the 90s today. Could be seeing more of those upper 90s and like 100, 101 type temperatures by later in the weekend and next week. The hotter weather is definitely coming, not just because summer is coming, but the little bubble of heat will kind of be expanding across Texas and could be rather hot and sunny most days, especially by Saturday, Sunday, and then through much of next week coming up looks hot and dry. First 1-5 Doppler network is dry nearly everywhere, but like we showed you before the break, the sea breeze, the air coming in off the Gulf acts like a little mini front, which builds up the clouds a bit, and there's still just enough moisture and just enough room in the atmosphere to allow the clouds to build up into some small showers. So we zoom in, and there are a couple little showers out there. The heaviest ones, and they're not very widespread, but one northeast of San Perlita, just drifting along with the sea breeze to the west and northwest. You might get up to about a half an inch of rain in the heaviest part of one of these showers as they pass, but mostly 15-20 minutes or so it rains and leaves. Lower Valley too, still a couple of little showers in Cameron County near Bayview, and then north of Laureles and near Los Fresnos, little showers right now. And again, these are ones that may rain on you for 10 minutes or so as they pass on by with a quick burst of rain. And one shower we tracked earlier, kind of near Arroyo City, moving slowly to the west. Current temperatures are in the 90s most everywhere except for 89 in Port Isabel, 92 in McAllen. Pretty much this is what you'll see again tomorrow. Temperatures up in the low 90s by lunchtime to start the holiday weekend. The humidity's actually come up since yesterday. Yesterday at this time it was fairly humid near the coast and not quite as humid once you got west of about I-69E, US 77 or so. But now the humidity's up and it feels hotter. The heat index, how hot it feels with the humidity factored in, is already close to 100 spots. 98 in Harlingen and Raymondville, 101 in Rio Grande City. And you look at the dew points on average, they're kind of hovering at about this number all across the valley, right in the low 70s. So we're getting back into that kind of summertime feel to the air right now, and that may be something we see the next couple of days. The satellite radar shows dry weather everywhere else in South Texas, and you look at future track, it shows partly sunny skies around the rest of the day, a small chance for a shower, and then tomorrow, kind of the same deal, partly to mostly sunny skies, a very small chance for a shower coming up. Now in the tropics, we're almost to hurricane season beginning June 1st, and the latest forecast just came out this morning. In fact, we have some experts from the National Weather Service in the room next to me over here. The NOAA forecast came out this morning. Forecast of 10 to 16 named storms. That's at least tropical storm strength or greater. 5 to 9 of them becoming hurricanes, and then 1 to 4 of them becoming major hurricanes. And you see that's fairly close or maybe slightly above average in some cases of the long-term average. So still expected to be a near average or maybe slightly above average year in terms of hurricane activity coming up. So we do have one disturbance out there right now. We'll show you and track it for you coming up later this hour. It could move into the Gulf later this week. And the first 1-5-70 forecast, very small chances of a shower today and tomorrow. Highs in the mid-90s on average, 80s right at the coast. The weekend is looking sunny and hot, getting hotter. I think by Saturday you'll start to feel just like the sun bake you more with very few clouds. Highs in the 90s, and it could top 100 in the upper valley this weekend, and a lot of places may be near 100 by Memorial Day and much of next week beyond the 7-day forecast. So we'll track the heat and the tropics coming up. Dina?